Length spoken voiceover review of the PS5 Sony PlayStation 5. Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to your channel name. Today we're going to talk about something that's been making waves in the gaming world, the brand new PlayStation 5 from Sony. I've gotta say, I was a bit skeptical at first when I heard about this console. What makes it so special? But as soon as I started digging into its specs and features, I realized just how incredible this machine really is. Let's dive in. So, one of the first things that caught my attention was the CPU, x86-64 AMD Ryzen Zen 8 cores/16 threads at 3.5 GHz. Now, you might be wondering what that means for your gaming experience. Simply put, it means that this console can handle an insane number of tasks at once. Think of it like a super smart brain that can process everything from the graphics to the gameplay in real time. It's like having a personal assistant for your games. And then there's the GPU, AMD Radeon RDNA 2-based graphics engine. This baby is capable of rendering up to 10.3 teraflops. That's a huge number, by the way. That means that you'll get ridiculously detailed graphics and smooth gameplay, even at high resolutions like 4K. It's like having a giant movie screen right in your living room. Now, let's talk about memory. We're talking 16 GB GDDR6/256-bit memory here. This might sound like a lot of tech jargon, but trust me, it means that you'll have plenty of room for all your games and apps to run smoothly without slowing down. Think of it like having a huge storage drive just for your favorite games. And then there's the storage. We're talking 825 GB SSD storage capacity here. Oh man, this is where things get really interesting. With an SSD, you'll get lightning-fast loading times and access to your games in a fraction of the time it would take on a traditional hard drive. It's like having your very own personal game genie. But wait, there's more. The PS5 also comes with some amazing connectivity options. We're talking Ethernet, 10 base T, 100 base TX, 1000 base T, IEEE 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/ax, and Bluetooth 5.1. That means you can connect to your router, play online games with friends, or stream your favorite shows from anywhere in the room. And let's not forget about the audio. We're talking Tempest 3D audio tech here. This technology uses advanced algorithms to create a truly immersive gaming experience that'll make you feel like you're right in the game. It's like having a personal sound engineer for your games. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about energy efficiency? Well, let me tell you, the PS5 is actually pretty eco-friendly. It uses advanced power-saving technology to minimize its impact on the environment. So, what can you expect from this console? For starters, you'll get access to a whole new world of games that take full advantage of its incredible specs. From stunning 4K graphics to smooth gameplay and lightning-fast loading times, this console is the ultimate gaming experience. And with its custom NVMe SSD slot, you can easily expand your storage as needed. The PS5 Digital Edition comes with all the essentials: Sony PlayStation 5, DualSense controller, USB cable, HDMI cable, and more. It's like a little box of gaming goodness that just happens to power one of the most incredible consoles on the market today. So, if you're looking for an upgrade to your gaming setup or just want to experience the latest and greatest in console technology, then look no further than the PlayStation 5. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Check out the link below to get the best price on this amazing console, your link. Happy gaming, everyone!